Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a IGCSE, GCSE classes for student around the globe. So today we have a student around more than 10 countries. So if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. So today I even see the FIFA World Cup is going on. I hope you all are enjoying the FIFA World Cup as well. You have for IGCSE student 2 months down the line you have an exam, right? So I hope you must have been preparing intensively and you have your own plan, schedule, how to get the A star grade. So suppose someone feel like they want to take some classes to improve here and there some of the topics, then of course you can contact us for the to improve your grade. So even suppose I would suggest, even if you haven't solved the papers, past year paper, then go through the past year paper. Trust me, the last 5 years I have been delivering A star grade. Why? Because the past year paper key to your getting the A and A star grade in any of the subject. Okay, so core and extended student, all these students got the A and A star grade only because they have categorized the specific topics and they worked on them, they solved the past year papers, and then they got the easily A star grade. So even I'm coming with next video how you can utilize next December 31 days and Jan 31 days. It's around 62 days productively to get A star grade. I will update it in a next class, next video, probably within 1 or 2 days. Okay, I hope you will benefit out of that video as well. I will update you the Excel sheet how you can prepare. Even I will give the link how you can prepare the plan. So today actually here we will go through the paper 4 extended question, May June 2021, this year paper only question, and it's a question from the functions topic. So straight away move on to the function. So in the function topic you have a function y with respect to x is given, f of x, g of x. Then you have to find out the composite function, inverse function, right? Then the values you have to put out. Then you have to find out the even, let's say, quadratic equation solution. Even some cases you have to find out the graphs as well. So I hope you must have practiced all those things, these topics relating to the function. So here we will solve the simple and interesting question. Here f of x is given 2x minus 1, g of x is given 3x minus 2, and h of x is equal to 1 upon x. So here f of x is equal to, put out here 2. So f of 2 is 2 times 2 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is basically 3. And this is f of 2, you got 3, right? Here in the next part, g of f of x means it's a g of f of 2, you got here 3, right? So g of 3 you have to put, so it means g of x is 3x minus 2. So 3 times 3 minus 2, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. That's it. 7 is the answer for g of f of 2. Getting it? And these are 1 mark question. So it's a easy and you can put out here straight away. Then nextly, before we move ahead to this B question, okay, so the FIFA World Cup is going on, right? And I actually love to even watch the football, play even football, right? And you also like the football, Premier League, then La Liga, other leagues as well. So and in a football World Cup, which team you are supporting, comment in the description box as well. Let's see how many of you think the Brazil or England or Belgium or any other country or even France that matter win the World Cup. Let's see. Okay, so here transfer this. The nextly you have to find out g inverse of x, right? So to find out the g inverse of x, we have to follow the three specific steps, right? You have to interchange the x and y values, right? So here x is equal to 3y minus 2, then transfer 2 to the left hand side, next step, then negative 2 becomes positive 2 is equal to 3y, right? And then x plus 2 over 3 will be the y, and that is nothing but g inverse of x. So here write down g inverse of x as a x plus 2 over 3. That's it. This is how you have to solve the step by step, and here this two step you will get the half of marks, and complete correct answer you will get the 1 marks. This is how marks is distributed, right? So yes, we'll move on to next one. Then nextly, h of x is equal to j minus 2, right? Here find the value of x we have to find out. So h of x we have is 1 upon x, right? And g of x we have is 3, sorry, j of x is 5 raised to x. So you have to put 5 raised to negative 2, 1 upon x. So transfer this x to the right hand side. It will be 1 upon 5 raised to negative 2 is equal to x. So it means x is equal to 5 raised to 2. It means x is equal to basically 25. Getting it? So this is the answer. Fine. So this is how you have to find out step by step answers, and right answer you will get 1 mark, and for this step you have a half of marks distributed. Okay, then nextly, f of x minus h of x is you have to write in the single fraction. So f of x is basically you have 2x minus 1, right? 2x minus 1, and minus h of x is 1 upon x, right? So here fraction is 1. To make the same fraction, right, here 2x minus 1 over 1, this is denominator is 1, right? And here 1 upon x. So multiply first fraction by x by x, okay, x by x, isn't it? Then here it will be 2x square minus x upon x minus 1 upon x. Now denominator is same, so you can add and subtract the numerator. So 2x square minus x minus 1 divided by x will be the answer, your final answer. So you have to write down this one here, 2x square minus x minus 1 over x. That's it. That's it. Fine. And this is also 2 mark question. So for this and this step you will get half marks, and the full final answer, correct answer, you will get 1 marks. This is how marks are also distributed. So see, you must know the tricks, or you must know the basic concepts. So that's how easy is. So suppose if you know the basics, then and then you can able to solve them quickly. Otherwise you will think here what we have to do and how to write down the single fraction and things like that. Getting it? So then nextly, here the nextly j of 2. So j of 2 is basically it's a, you have a j of x is 5 raised to x, right? 5 raised to x is j of x. So firstly find out j of 2 is 5 raised to 2. 5 raised to 2 is 25, isn't it? Then you have to take j of 2, right? And this j of 2 is means j of 25 you have to find out. J of 25 means 5 raised to 25 you have to find out, and write down in the standard form this one. So 5 raised to, take a calci, use calci, and 5 raised to 25, calculate it. You will get the answer in the calci itself, 2.98 times 10 raised to 17, and that's the answer. Getting it? This is the answer. I hope you also getting the same one, right? Then nextly, last one is the j inverse of x is equal to 4, then you have to find out the x value here. So this is also, even though look like a difficult, but it's easy. How? Because here j raised to x is equal to 4. If you transfer this j of x, j just to the right hand side, it will be x is equal to j of 4, right? And j of 4 is 5 raised to 4, and it will be 625 x value. That's it. That's the answer. Some of the student might be confused in the last one because it seems to be some weird question, but it's just based on the simple basic concepts of inverse functions. I hope you must have discussed or learned in a school or in some other classes or tuitions, but you have to practice. You need a practice, okay? Until unless you do the practice, you will not get it. Fine. So I hope you liked this video. Share with your friend, and I am updating the time schedule for whole 2 month period, how you can prepare whole lot of many different types of topics and things like that. So for the final exam to get a star grade, uh, so I will update you, and it's specifically for maths. Fine. uh, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.